How's it going there, YouTube? Well, we made it back from Milton, alright. Got the tractor home in the shed here. A little bit late making this video, but I've been kind of a busy guy. Even though I've been on holidays this week, I've run a couple loads of scrap there on Tuesday morning, but I also got my invoice for my tractor insurance finally from Greg Penninger. I'm going to have a video here. Oh, maybe tomorrow I'll do a video on tractor insurance. I am behind on my videos here a little bit. Also got to do that giveaway for you guys too. Maybe I'll stick that in the end of this video here. But yeah, I got giveaways and tractor insurance to talk about and a few other little different things. I am actually going to go to the Blythe show this weekend. I may not take the tractor. I haven't quite decided just yet. I've never actually been to Blythe. Grandpa had for a few years, and it's kind of a long haul with the trailer, but you know, hey, we'll see how I feel about it. This is Thursday morning now. We'll see how I feel about it tomorrow morning. Maybe I'll load it up and take it in, but yeah, had a pretty good show out at Milton, and tractor did pretty good. The new plugs seemed like alright. It was damp all that weekend. I still had a little skip in it, but I think what we're gonna do, I do have these wires. I'm gonna order it from Steiner's there. Just never had a chance to do it before Milton because, well, you guys know me, I'm kind of a busy fella. But we'll get the wires ordered for. I'm gonna try that Steve at Ontario used tractor parts again. He seems to be pretty good guy to deal with. He had the spark plugs for it. He may just have the wires I'm looking for. I will take, of course, the part number down with me. I do have the Steiner catalog here, so we'll get that. We'll get those ordered up because I do want to get just the regular black coated wires. I don't like that new stuff to get the wound stuff. It's like a yellow checker pattern. It doesn't look great, so even if I bought a tractor and had those on, I would be changing them anyway because, well, they don't look great. So, but maybe I'm just picky. I don't know. We'll let you guys decide on that. But anyway, after Blythe here, I'm off next Monday anyway because, you know, Labor Day weekend was this past weekend, of course, and the Monday was a holiday for you guys, so I get my Labor Day next Monday. So maybe next Monday I'll roll this tractor back and drain the water out and drain the gas out and get it ready to go away for the winter time. And I don't expect to be using it for anytime after this coming weekend, so that's why I haven't done it yet, because I may just take it to Blythe yet. I don't really know. We'll see how I feel in the morning, but just as easy to drive it on the trailer. It's got fuel in it, so it's just as easy to drive it on the trailer and take it out there, I guess. But yeah, it seems to be a-okay. Things went pretty good for Milton. Had a pretty good time out there. Seen a lot of people I haven't seen for a little while, and actually I was talking to Rick Mannon from Antique Power Magazine. He actually came over and seen me there. He goes, I keep in mind, I probably haven't seen Rick since about 2007, I think was the last time I saw him in person. He comes over to me and goes, "You wouldn't happen to be W.J. Earl's grandson, would you?" Yes, yeah. How you doing, Rick? So that was kind of interesting. I haven't seen him in a long time, but some things don't change, as they say. So anyway, we'll go out this old tractor here a little bit and we'll get it cleaned up, you know. I don't know if you guys can see that. Someone left some muddy boot prints all over the platform there. And I already know what Grandpa would say about that. He'd be giving me a hard time about that for sure. But anyway, we'll get her cleaned up and put back away here. And maybe I'll do you guys a giveaway here tonight. And we'll take her from there. So anyway, that's I'm gonna shut her off for now. We'll come back and see you guys in a bit. Well, now that steam show season's over with, tractor's home in the shed and whatnot, you guys may remember the giveaway I had going for the little Oliver 1850 here from SpecCast. Had about 31 entries, so everyone that's entered, you got a 1 in 31 chance of winning this little tractor. We're gonna have our draw tonight. I figured I'd run the draw through tractor show season and whatnot, and like I said, we got 31 entries, so that's not so bad. And let's let them pick a name out of the hat here. So we got all the names chopped up. Anyone left a comment in that video, I wrote the names all down on a piece of paper and I cut them up, put them in the hat, and then we're gonna draw one at random, and we're gonna see who's gonna get the little Olivers. So I guess without further ado, I guess we should pick a name, eh? Now I've got these all shuffled up here. If I can get them, my butterfingers. Jason 1PA. Jason, congratulations. You are the winner of the little Oliver 1850. I got kind of chicken scratch print here, so don't mind that. Yeah, so I'll send you a message. I believe I got you on Facebook, Jason, and on Instagram, so I'll send you a message on there, and we will get things lined up and get this little Oliver shipped out to you. I want to thank everyone that entered our giveaways, so I'm thinking maybe when we get 2,500 subscribers, if you guys want to help me get to 2,500 subscribers, I'm going to have another giveaway for you guys. Or maybe I'll do one around Christmas time, because, you know, we got to get young people involved in this farm tractor hobby. I know I've done mostly big tractor stuff pretty well all year long, getting the trailer, the new truck, and getting the tractor home and whatnot, and haven't done too much farm toy stuff lately, so I think maybe this winter we might get some stuff on the channel for that. Might try to get back into some custom builds, or you know, maybe drag something bigger home and work on that too. So always lots going on around here, just you gotta remember to put the camera up more. So anyway, as always, you guys like what you see, please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching as always, and congratulations to Jason for winning the little Oliver. So I'll see you on the next one.